Looking for a new home? This might be it. Spacious living area. Let us show you the before and the after. Cozy dining area. Functional kitchenette for those who love to cook. Spacious master bedroom that can fit a good-sized bed. Spacious bedrooms for your family. Situated in an excellent location. Excellent amenities within walking distance. Amazing unit, isn't it? Make this your home today. Call our AAG Real Estate Consultant to find out more. AAG, the #1 top division in orange tea and tie.